Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Halle J here. For those of you who are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I will be doing a light dusting on my client today. She is doing a beach shoot, so I thought I would get her together. So I'm starting off with her eyebrows. I want to make them really nice and natural, but also filled in. So I'm going in with the Morphe micro brow pencil in Java and just doing hair-like strokes to fill in her brows. To conceal her eyebrows, I'm going in with a mixture of her foundation shade, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear in New Caledonia, and the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Maple, and just shaping out the bottom of her brow. This shade is very close to her skin tone, so hence the natural aspect of it for skin. I'll be moisturizing her with the Embrolysse moisturizer and applying that all over her face with a Real Techniques setting brush. And then after this, I'll be taking that same brush and applying that Nars foundation and just blending it in as best I can with this brush. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to pat it in with the Real Techniques face brush just to make sure I have a nice seamless blend. I'm going to take that setting brush again and apply the concealer, the Maple concealer by itself, underneath her eyes, the top of her lip, her chin, the bridge of her nose, and a little on her forehead. Once I have that placed, I'm taking my fan just to help the concealer dry down so I can get a fuller coverage, and take that foundation brush and blend out the outer edges. Now I'm taking a beauty sponge to just blend in the rest of that concealer on her nose and underneath her eyes. For setting powder, I am using the RCMA No color powder, and I'm taking that setting brush again and just applying that underneath her eyes, directly underneath her eyes, just so I can get in those creases really good. And then I'm going in with that beauty sponge to press in that product a little bit more. I am also going to put some of that powder on her lids so that area will be mattified. For contour, I am using the True Complexion Black Radiance palette in medium to dark, and using the contour shade in the hollows of her cheeks and her forehead, and also on the bridge of her nose. And I'm also applying some of that shadow in her crease. For blush, I'm using the Morphe Deep Glam palette, and I'm taking some of that plum-like blush and applying that on her cheeks. I'm going in with my Inglot gel liner, applying that in her waterline and on top of her lid. Eyeliner really takes the look up. I love a good eyeliner, and this eyeliner lasts and it dries down really nicely. So for the rest of her face, I did go ahead and apply some of that translucent powder. And after that, I went in with some of my black Radiance pressed powder in Cafe. And for underneath her eyes where I highlighted, I'm going in with the Infallible pressed powder. I can't remember the name of it, but all the products will be linked down below. Now I am going in to do her lips. I'm actually just going in with some deep contour powder to line her lips. I didn't have a liner, so I just used some powder along the outer edges of her lips. And then for the liquid lipstick, I use the Infallible Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Tooth and just pressing that in. I'm going to have her blot her lips together to kind of blend that together. And that completes the look. This is a really quick tutorial, but I like to keep it nice and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm setting her with the Urban Decay all-nighter, and make sure that is nice and matte on her face. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me some down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.